ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤꯀꯣ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯧꯔꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯧꯋꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ LDC ꯀꯣ ꯂꯋꯥꯔ ꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯔꯛꯀꯤꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯞ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ 10 ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ 53ꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯆꯍꯤ 53 ꯁꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯅꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯕꯁꯥꯏꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯛꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯔꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯋꯦꯕꯁꯥꯏꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯤꯡꯛꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯕꯁꯥꯏꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯣ www.rims.edu.in ꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀꯣ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ sida recruitment tharaga si leire recent post se sida dum yawramani sida yawre to recruitment for the post of professor on contract basis professor su kawi adai magi plastic surgery and thabak sim akan makhan yam kawkre du common oina tawu ya ba thabak nei na ngasi semjari thab kano video si ko haidi LDC and laboratory assistant ki thabak kin ani si gin main oina semjari se duna magi advertisement for the post of si thai se LDC and laboratory assistant types te click to biro PDF aduga magi si link si sangani ko ja link si sangaba matung na ma LDC ga laboratory assistant ga mabani gi je tuan notification amamam thulakane bisida ko singtharaga yengasi to advertisement for the post of LDC and laboratory assistant is the ko notice of for the LDC gi han yengsi makha gi snamo lab assistant gi ni ko aduga LDC gi magi thabak tawni mukangu se magi notification se kamai haina thokpano kari no maru oibesing se haibese yengminar si ko ja sini LDC gine PDF file ma download torone jiki click to number matung da ko aduga magi maru oibesing do magi form of notification of vacancy to employment exchange aduga sida leire my form do my employment exchange tagi ke hare aduga magi designation name of the designation of intending officer samanare aduga my sile ma'am time date and place of interview my interview tane go magi place mapam in the conference room of Jubilee Hall Rims Imphal date and time of interview will be notified in due to course ko notify to rokana ba thubda designation of post magi post se lower division clerk ne my salary pay scale se level 2 dagi hone magi vacancy se mapan khatane ba hujki oina pi se mapan se sab sabina te mo makha dai se du hengalakana e masing je ko duga duration of vacancy reservation p ko unreserved kangu gi manga piri SC gi ni piri ST gi ama OBC gi ama reservation kangu gi su pire adugi age limit pire sei 35 kunthra manga phoba aduga sei kunthra manga gi mathakta leiba mi sin su yai haidi SC ST OBC certificate pipe kangu ex relaxation apply to bia kangu qualification and experience mem si han yang bio qualification se 10 natraga na adugi mathak adugi mathak haidi 12 followers graduation followers apply loi to bia 10 plus tawde aduga magi computer gi typing speed laigada ba mem haidi speed of 30 watt per minute mara watt 30 phubang ambo egedane ba english ta aduga magi relaxation SC ST oiba kangu do moi gi di dum relaxation ji p 25 watt khatang phung amadi yare ko typing speed ne badu or computer 150 kTpm in english side aduga relaxation in case of handicapped person mo kangu relaxation p so gumse aduga preference will be given to those who know the use of computer ga maram khara khangba hena khangba mi gi khudong sa ba si ismun hena phange ma'am aduga certified that while placing the demand the instruction connected with the order of communal representation in the service having strictly followed the regards khara haire sini maru obise mai gi aduga sisna mu LDC gi ne ba ko aduga kanogi mu hairake haji my lab assistant gi sina mu makha de lab assistant te dum click to birani samana na download torani PDF file ma ko download taraga thola ani sida ji aduga sida haire chap manana hape mai sisu ko aduga magi thabak ko ki so haire kai ki thabak kino salary scale magi number of posts ko haire adugi mai reservation ki matang so haire aduga sigi ma qualification and experience ki matang ja hana mathak ka chap mani mamang na hai ki do loina ko adu magi reservation je khra khenai reservation se unreserved kangu gi mari schedule caste schedule tribe ke ma OBC ga ma sahi jo tribe ban kunthra ma fuki qualification and experience se 10 lower ba kangu yare aduga train in a laboratory technology for 1 year from a recognized institute aduga hindi ga manipuri ga knowledge khra lebo ga da sikatani common oina computer knowledge khra lairaba laboratory technology 1 year lairagadi apply loin tawba yare ma adu khang da gyan ta da bi comment box tang biro and thank you so much guys bye bye